Welcome to our Rescue Experience Center. My name is Rens de Jonge and I'm a rescue consultant for Holmatro. Today I'm going to show you our new high-performance 5160 Combi Tool. We have two versions available, core with a hose or cordless. Today we're going to work with this battery-powered Evo 3 version. First we'll take a look at the spreading performance of this tool. Holmatro's 5160 Combi Tool has the largest spreading distance in the market, measuring more than 18 inches or 460 millimeters. Combined with the highest spreading force, it creates all the space you need, even in the strongest vehicles. Now let's switch to cutting. This heavy-duty Combi Tool has both the capacity and the opening to cut wider car posts. The 5160 Combi Tool also has a unique elongated tooth for extra bites. As you can see, the longer tooth penetrates the post, offering additional grip. The tips of the 5160 Combi Tool can be easily removed with one hand, even with gloves on. This is especially important when one complete cut is needed across a wide area. As you can see, the tip is designed in one piece and has reflective markings to locate it quickly in the dark. Check! Easy to find in the dark. Those 6 integrated LED lights do come in handy. Like I said, with the tips removed you can make a complete cut without crushing material between the tips. The tool has a patented eye bolt for optimum cutting performance. And with an inline control handle at the back, always within reach, you can easily operate this tool in any position. A Combi Tool gives you a lot of options, and this one has the unmatched power to help you out in any situation. And on top of that, it has the lowest weight in its class. That's it for now. Watch more videos on our YouTube channel or contact your Holmatro dealer for a product demonstration. See you next time.